you on the next video. Been away since Sunday night, about 2.5 hours in right now. Good morning, folks. Hopefully you're doing well. I'm actually at a job right now. Figured I'd take you along. I was thinking about doing a vlog. Haven't done it, so I'm gonna start now. But anyway, I'm at a job right now, and I'm down in Maryland, believe it or not, helping out a fellow contractor that I've met through some Facebook groups. He needs my hand on a job to do some tile work for him. So I'm down here at the project, and I just pulled up. It's about 7:45 a.m. We got a showered tile. Supposedly he's got up the weedy board on the wall, so I want to make sure that's nice and flat. You know, we got some 12x24s going in, and then a niche in there as well. So, got my truck over here. See if we get you a shot of that. Truck over here, all my tools in it. Pretty much got a chunk of my stuff, not everything, but the essentials. He's got the saw. I got the hand tools, mixer, a couple things like that. But I'm down here, and we're gonna get on with it. So. Stay tuned. I'm gonna take a video as much as I can. So here we go. So here's the tools I brought down here. Hand tools. I got my leveling system, dollies. I really don't like to work without these because I don't know how guys go around and drag buckets. That's not me. I like to make my life easy as possible. Not work as hard. Let the tools do the job for you. Got my bin with my grinders and stuff in it. Table. Wedges and stuff in here. I like to use one of these Milwaukee cases. I got all different sizes in here, spacers, things like that. Then I usually keep my bulk of my tools in here. Got my levels back in here. Column mix mixer. That mixer is amazing. I love using it compared to my old Rigid, screw guns, gloves, things like that. So I'm just waiting for everyone to show up, and I want to get this thing rolling. Stay tuned. Okay, end of day one. I'll show you what's gotten done so far. So today we got up all the weedy board around here and laid out everything. We have 12x24s going horizontally staggered or running bond. Then we're gonna have a decorative band above the niche approximately with a marble pencil top and bottom, and then continue the pattern from there up. So all the weedy board is in, everything is completely sealed off, ready to go. We actually pre-cut all the tile for the sides, so we're going to do a full and about a 3/4 piece. Full 3/4, full 3/4, all the way up the wall, all the way up that wall. And we'll do the same type of wall set on the back here. So that's what we got right now. Okay, so I'll show you real quickly. Weedy sealant is all along the base here, completely sealed off to the bottom lip of the shower pan. Everything is 100% sealed, waterproof, never gonna have a leak or problem anywhere that has to do with the wallboard. Now, it is a plastic pan, so if that cracks, then all bets are off, but everything else is sealed, ready to go. We'll be back here tomorrow, ready to start setting this tile. Okay, so here we are at day 3 of this project. I got the walls up here. Niche in, cut around the niche, and the band's gonna go somewhere above that tile there, then continue the field tile from there up. So that's where I'm at right now. This will be my last day on this project. It's been a really cool trip to take down here to Maryland. So go as far as I can, and the contractors guys will finish off the rest. There we go. Okay, here we are at the end of this project, at least for me. Client ran out of this decorative tile there, so I did what I could. Got some profiles in, got the niche profiled out and tiled on the inside outer edges, so we just got the back done. So the contractor here will finish off the rest of the tile work here, and that's it for me. So on to the next project for me, back to Jersey. There we go. Okay, so I got the truck packed. Everything is ready to go. On my way back to Jersey. It's anywhere from about a 3 to 4 hour drive, so got a few podcasts I'm gonna listen to, a little relaxing, maybe some phone calls, go from there. Nice and steady, everything's packed up, ready to go. Here we are on the truck and ready to go. Back in Jersey, folks. Back in New Jersey. About 2.5 hours in right now, about a half hour, 45 minutes, and we'll arrive at home. Be good to be home. Been away since Sunday night, really missing the family, the kids. Nice to sleep in my own bed, have some good food, and hug, squeeze, and kiss the family. Okay, nearly back at the house. Sitting in traffic, back to lovely Jersey traffic where I was at. Traffic actually wasn't bad, but right in this road over here, in Jersey, it's always backed up. But that's all I got for you guys. See, my back of the truck here is packed with my luggage, some tools, radio, whatnot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wish I filmed more. I didn't show you the hotel where I was staying, you know, the whole process with that, but I did get some clips for you guys, so hopefully you enjoy the video. You know, anytime I go away again for jobs that has to do with the business in this channel, I will try to film more to give you guys something to see. So I hope you guys like this, you know, this video, this type of content. If you do, please leave it in the comment section below. Any chance I have to film more vlogs like this, I will. Thanks again. See you on the next video.